Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You may be able to obtain a copy of the original birth certificate by filing a petition under California Health and Safety Code Section 100-2705 in the Clerk's Office of the County Superior Court where you reside if you live in California, or the county where the adoption was finalized.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The quickest way to obtain a birth certificate. In person. Technically speaking, applying for and picking up a birth certificate in person is the fastest way to get your hands on a copy. Online is convenient. Really, the most convenient way to get an official birth certificate is to order it online. Shipping options.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
1. What is the difference between a certified and an uncertified copy of a birth certificate? A certified copy of a birth certificate issued by the local Vital Records office will have a raised seal, will show the signature of the local registrar, and will be printed on security paper.
Take our lead.
At some point or another you may need a copy of a birth, death, marriage, or divorce certificate. Many companies offer this service online, but the Better Business Bureau is warning consumers of one in particular.
Take our lead.
Birth certificates for adults or older children. Birth certificates for births occurring in Sacramento County prior to the most recent 2 calendar years can either be obtained from the County Clerk Recorder's Office or the California Department of Public Health, CDPH, Office of Vital Records.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.